The next question is the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So here the question is to find the two numbers. So we will take the numbers as x and y. Okay, what's the first condition? Difference of squares of two numbers. Difference means it is subtraction. Difference of what? Squares of two numbers. We took the number as x and y. So squares of two number means square of x is x square and square of y is y square. So the difference will be x square minus y square is given as 180. This is our first equation. Okay, again, if x square minus y square is equal to 80, which number will be the bigger one, x or y? We are taking x as the bigger one, x square as the bigger one, okay, and y square as a smaller one. So what about the second sentence? Square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Square of the smaller number means we are taking y square as a smaller number. Then only we will be getting a positive value. So y square, square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. 8 into x. Okay. Square of the smaller number is equal to 8 into x. So that is equation number 2. Okay. Again the next step is substitute 2 in 1. Okay. What we will get? X square minus 8x is equal to 180. Collect everything to the left side. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve using any method. So I am going to do it with the factorization. So we have to get sum as minus 8 and product as minus 180. And the numbers will be 10 into 8. 10 into 18 gives you 180. We need a negative 180 as a product and negative 8 as a sum. So we can take the numbers as 10 and minus 18. So split the term x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. Okay, so take x as common. So x into x minus 18 plus 10 into x minus 18 is equal to 0. Again, what is common? X minus 18 is common. X minus 18 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. So we are getting either x minus 18 is equal to 0 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. If x plus 10 is equal to 0, we will get the value of x as minus 10. And here we will get x as 18. X equal to minus 10 is rejected, isn't it? Why we are rejecting this number? Is there a condition given? Check your question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So negative number is not, the case of negative number is not said in the question, but still we will reject this. The reason I will tell later. Okay, so if we are taking the value of x as 18, so what will be y? What was y? Y square is equal to 8x. That was our second equation. So that is equal to 8 into 18. This again can be written as 8 into 2 into 9. Why I am splitting the term is because I need to calculate y and here it is y square. So again y square can be written as 16 into 9. So to get the value of y, what we can do? Take the square root. What's the square root of 16? 4. What's the square root of 9? 3. So y will be 4 into 3, which is 12. Okay. So we are getting x as 18 and y as 12. So the numbers are 18 and 12. Again, what happens if we are taking x equal to minus 10 as y square? What will be y square? Y square will be 8 into minus 10, isn't it? Because we have the condition y square equal to 8x. So 8 into minus 10 will give you minus 80. Can the square of any number be a negative value? No. That is the reason why we are rejecting x equal to minus 10. So we are taking x equal to 18 and we are getting the value of y as 12.